50 into the glove box door. That gives you all your vital information. A nice touchscreen Alpine double din, which actually has a backup camera. I'll show you that too. So that's pretty cool, right? And then the instrumentation. That sounds great. So let me show you what that's all about. You got a couple of gauges here for your boost and your air fuel wideband. So let's go to the engine. L28 turbocharged. Nice Pro Tuners intake manifold.